Today we'll discuss about the data cleaning technique, one of the data pre-processing techniques. Before we go for the data mining, we use data pre-processing for the better results for generating of the better patterns. So right now we are going to discuss about the how to handle the noisy data. How to handle the noisy data. As you know, the noisy data can be generated because of the errors or else noise or else outliers. So what may be called as noise? Noise is nothing but the data which is not acceptable for the features. Data which cannot be stored, like for example, if you can take salary is an attribute or else a feature in our data set, and salary may not be going to be the negative, and like this, if you can take age also may not be going to be the negative one. So like this, whenever the errors are also some kind of outliers, say for example, if the age attribute value is equivalent to 1000, which cannot be accepted for the customers, so such type of values may be outliers, is nothing but the values which may not be considered, which may give wrong patterns, which may generate wrong patterns. That is the reason why the noise need to be removed. Now let us look at what are the techniques available for the noisy data removal. Now, as you know, the noisy data may be coming from it may be a random error or else a variance in the measured variable. And incorrect attribute values may be collected due to the faulty data collection instruments, or else maybe due to the data entry problems, maybe due to the data transmission problems when we are transmitting the data from one location to another location, or else maybe the compatibility of the software problems, or else the inconsistency in the naming conventions whatever we are going to use, because legacy data sets, whenever we are going to collect the information, the data naming convention whatever we were used may not be suitable for the naming convention what we are going to use for the analysis purpose. And other problems may arise due to the duplicate of records and incomplete data and also inconsistent data. Due to these reasons, there is a possibility of noisy data. Now let us see how the noisy data can be handled. There are various techniques for handling the noisy data. Now if you can take one of the best technique which is used to handle the noisy data is a binning technique. So here by using the binning technique, what we can do is the given whatever the data is there, we are going to sort. Say for example, numerical values are there, we can sort them into some particular order, and this sorted data we are going to do the partitioning into the number of bins. So here binning is nothing but it may be called as buckets of information or else bins of information. We may be sorting the information in a particular order, say for example in the ascending order, and then we are going to partition it into number of bins of equal frequency. Maybe by using two techniques are available, we will discuss. So once it is sorted and then divided into equal number of bins, we can calculate the bin means, or else we can calculate the bin median, and also we can use bin boundaries. Also we can use like small minimum value or else the maximum value of boundaries also we can use for the smoothing. The second kind of technique which can be used for the noisy data removal is regression. Okay, so here the smoothing can be done by fitting the data into available regression functions, or else we can use clustering techniques also. In clustering techniques, what we can do is first of all we are able to identify the outliers. Outliers are nothing but the far away values or else the values which may not be considered, which may be going to give us the wrong patterns. So such type of deviation from the actual patterns may be possible. That is the reason why we may be going to identify the outliers, and those outliers are going to be removed. And we can combine the computer and then human process also in detecting the suspicious values, and we can check and then we can deal with them separately. So these are the different types of techniques available to handle the noisy data. Now let us look at the binning techniques whatever are available to handle the noisy data.